Episode 14. Sliders. Build an image filter controls app. Let us get started. Here is what we are building. 4 sliders controlling a color preview. Slider new takes a mutable value and a range. Suffix adds a unit label like %. Preview color applies brightness, contrast, and saturation. Clamp keeps values in the 0 to 255 range. Rect_filled draws a colored rectangle. Create a new project called Image Filters. Open Neovim. Space E opens NeoTree. Open Cargo.toml to add dependencies. Add eFrame version 0.31. Save Cargo.toml. Open main.rs. Import the app module. Main function sets up an 800 by 600 window. Save main.rs. Create app.rs. Import egui. MyApp struct with brightness, contrast, saturation, and blur. Default sets brightness 0, contrast and saturation to 100. Preview color returns an egui color 32. Base color is cornflower blue, RGB 100, 149, 237. Brightness adds to each channel. Contrast scales from midpoint 128. Saturation blends between color and grayscale. Clamp keeps each channel between 0 and 255. Color 32 from RGB builds the final color. Implement the app trait. Top-bottom panel shows the title. Side panel left with min width 250. Brightness slider, -100 to 100 with % suffix. Contrast slider, 0 to 200%. Saturation slider, 0 to 200%. Blur slider, 0 to 20 pixels. Reset, all button restores default values. Central panel shows the preview area. Allocate exact size reserves a 400 by 300 rectangle. Rect filled paints the computed color. Format string shows all filter values. Save app.rs. Review the code from top to bottom. Build with Cargo build. Build succeeded. Neo3C copies a file. Escape cancels. Watch the sliders adjust the preview color. Brightness shifts the color lighter or darker. Low saturation makes it grayscale. Reset all restores defaults instantly. Slider new binds a mutable F32 to a range. Suffix adds unit labels. Allocate exact size and rect-fill draw shapes. Preview color applies image filter math. Neo3C copies files. Next episode. Progress bar. Subscribe for more egui tutorials.